Right. Okay. So, very good evening, everyone. So, hope I'm audible to all of you. Welcome to the free introductory session on ERP. Let me first introduce our resource person, managing director, and the chairman of Perfect Business Solution Services and the Perfect Business Solution PBSS Group. So, let me quickly take you through about Dr. Madura Gamanayake. Dr. Madura Gamanayake started his career going back to 1994, starting as an accountant at the as the sectional head at the chemical industries. Before he started his entrepreneurial journey, starting Perfect Business Solution Services in year 2002. So after at chemical industries, he joined Kings Lake Engineering Technologies as the accountant, computerized and financial systems consultant. Also, he joined with Nipolek Group of companies as a director, group finance as and IT manager. At Perfect Business Solution Services, now it is moved into a Perfect Business Solution PBSS Group, diversed into various other areas into Perfect Leisure, Perfect Academy, and also present both in international in Dubai as well as in Maldives. He is from profession, he is a chartered accountant, chartered management accountant, completed his CIMA from UK, and he has completed his PhD at AC International University in 2018. Although he has successfully completed Masters of Business Management and also a diploma in marketing at Wagon and Leigh College in the UK. So speaking about some of his other achievements, he's a Sage Software Certified Consultant, Sage UBS HRM Certified Consultant, Sage Evolution ERP Certified Consultant, and also Odoo Functional Consultant certification, as well as SAP Business One Certified Consultant, and also SAP Cloud ERP Sales and Pre-Sales Certified Consultant. So let me hand over the session to Dr. Madura Gamanayake.
Sure. Better share no, my screen. Thank you, Ajit. Good evening. Hope you all can hear me.
Yes, we can.
Yes,
Yeah,
loud and
thank
clear.
you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, first of all, good evening again. First of all, I like to apologize for the last two sessions I had to cancel because of I stuck with Dubai and I had the flu, and very sorry of that. Okay, today, but we are going to continue the same session, learn ERP and earn more. Earn more is different story. This is mainly agenda is introduction to ERP. Why do you need an ERP system? And selection of ERP system and introduction to Odoo ERP, SAP Business One ERP, and SAP Cloud ERP. That means S4HANA Cloud ERP. Okay. Brief and other
speed. You are speed.
Sorry. You can hear me, huh? Okay. So first thing is introduction to ERP. Second one is why do you need an ERP system? Third is a selection of an ERP and ERP partner. Fourth one, introduction to Odoo. Odoo is one of the small business ERP, SME ERP. Second one is SAP Business One, SAP one of the SAP mid-level ERP. Third one is SAP Cloud ERP. And benefit of learning ERP and what are the professions available after you specialize in ERP systems, any ERP, not only those things, any ERP in Sri Lanka as well as the globally. That's the agenda. And finally, I have a Q&A session. You can ask any questions related to the subjects or anything related to the ERP. Okay. First, definition of ERP. What is ERP means? ERP is enterprise resource planning systems. What's that means? I know you all know there are different definitions, but one of the simplest and completed definition called software solutions that address all the needs of an enterprise with the process view of an organization to meet the organizational goals and integrate all the function of the enterprise. Meaning, it's integrate all the function of your organizations. What are the functions in any normal organization? What are the functions like? One is a procure to pay functions. That means you are starting with your purchase requisition, your purchase order, you do GRN, then supplier invoice, supplier payment. That is a normal procurement functions. It's called procure to pay. That's a one area of any business, procurement functions. Second area is order to cash functions. What is being order to cash means? You are receiving sales orders, then we do deliveries, then do invoicing, if any returns, credit notes, and collections, receipts. This function known as order to cash functions. Third one is your warehousing logistic functions. It's called supply chain management. You receive inventories, you issue inventories, transfer inventories, do stock counting, and load deliveries all come under supply chain management. That is another function. Fourth one is your manufacturing function. If the industry is manufacturing related, you do either discrete manufacturing or process manufacturing or job-based manufacturing. Any manufacturing covered is a different function in any organization. Final area is a servicing. You do servicing, in-house service your machineries, and do external service your equipment you sold. That's service function like. The normal industry like trading business, manufacturing business, service business, those are the functions. Procure to pay, order to cash, supply chain, and manufacturing and servicing. All functions finally integrate to the financial, record to report. Financially, then only you can produce your P&L balance sheet, your trial balance, and you can see your profitability of your business, your assets and liabilities, your share movements, equity movements, all things you can check. Those are the functions in any organization. What ERP does, it integrates all these those functions to one platform and giving bird view, process view of your organization. That is the main benefit of enterprise resource planning systems. We discuss how this ERP evolved in next slide. Currently, all ERPs are integrate all functions, business day-to-day functions into one platform and giving process view of your organization to decision makers, to managers, and all other operational people. Clear? ERP. Then next topic is evolution of business application. Before ERP, initial stage, we experience with management information systems, all MIS. Mainly do basic transaction, and produce reports. It's called management information system. It not integrate each and every all function of organization, but it covers some limited scope only. Financial, inventory management, and sales, basic functions only. Then after that, they build executive information system to produce some management and executive level information through the MIS system. Finally, they incorporate CIS, Corporate Information System, to the main MIS core. That was the initial evolution of MIS, EIS, and CIS. Then finally, in 1970s, they introduced Material Requirement Planning. That's called MRP, Material Requirement Planning Systems also. There's a different systems to plan your material requirement to your purchasing, your orders, or your manufacture. Then after that, they developed this MRP to MRP2. It's called Manufacturing Resource Planning Systems in 1980s. Manufacturing resource, not only material. To manufacture any item, you required material, you required labor, you required machine hours, you required other machinery capacity. It consider all things together and produce planning called manufacturing resource planning in 1980s. Then finally, they incorporate all systems together. That means MIS, EIS, CIS, MRP, and MRP together, and they build called Enterprise Resource Planning Systems. It integrates all key functions of the business, giving process view of your organization to the management. Enterprise Resource Planning System. Hope you'll clear this evolution of ERP. Next. Then we'll move into the broad market categorization of software. Now, any software, it's catered for different market segments. Some softwares, they are catering for top market, that means enterprise market, but some softwares, they develop for small market. First, we'll discuss what are the markets available for softwares. This is applicable for any industry, not only software, for other business also. But we are specifically here going to broad market categorization of softwares. What are the 4 market categorizations? Number 1 is small market, or we are calling startup businesses. Small market or startup businesses. Second one is SMEs, small to medium industries. Okay. Third one is a mid-market. Fourth one is an enterprise market. Out of 4, what are the markets are popular in Sri Lanka? Mainly SMEs and small market. In Sri Lanka, most of the companies are startups and SMEs, small to medium industries. It called nearly 60 to 70% Sri Lanka market is SMEs and small market. Then after SMEs is called mid-market. Balance 20% in Sri Lanka is a mid-market. In Sri Lanka, enterprise market is very few, less than 5% like enterprise market in Sri Lanka. But world categorization, there are small SME, mid and enterprise market. But Sri Lanka, mainly small SMEs and after that mid-market. There are enterprise market also in Sri Lanka, but it's a less than 10% like. Okay, then we have to understand what are the categorized or characteristics of these particular markets. It's a small market. How we are going to define the small market or small business? These are the basic standard only. It can vary different methodologies, but normally they say number of employees less than 20 is a small market. Annual revenue is up to 100 million. It's called normally small business market. Number of system users required. That's in software point of view. Number of system user required up to 5 user for small market. But it can be vary. Yeah? This is not a strict rules, but standard definition for small market. Second one is SME market. What is SME market means? Number of employees 2 to 100. Vary from 2 to 100 employees in that organization. Their turnover, annual turnover up to 300 million like. And number of users 5 to 40 like. Number of users for system users. Called SME market. Then mid market. You employees 100 to 1000 like. Number of users 40 to 250 system users. Annual revenue up to 100,000 million. That means 1 billion. 1 billion turnover. It's the mid market. To analyze, you can apply this statistic for your organization and you can just get the idea you are belong to which category, like SME or mid market or enterprise market, or you are in the small market, startup business. Like enterprise is number of employees 1000 plus, number of users 250 like, and turnover above 1 billion. Now you can see Sri Lanka less than 10% only enterprise market, balance 20-25% mid market, all other areas like SMEs and small market like 60 to 70%. Clear? Okay. Then how we are going to fit softwares in this market for these basic categories? Like normally softwares, it's called business software pyramid. We categorize it 3 tiers. Tier 3, Tier 2, Tier 1. Tier 3 means what normally? Tier 3 means small and part of the SMEs. Tier 3 means small market and part of the SME is called Tier 3 market for software point of view. Then what are the softwares developed for this particular market in the Sri Lanka content as well as global content? Tier 3 market, Odoo is a one Tier 3 market software. It caters for small business to SME sector. Sage 50, earlier it's called Peachtree. Sage 50, that also accounting solution for Tier 3 market. QuickBooks, that also for Tier 3 market. MYOB, that also for Tier 3 market. Tally, that also for Tier 3 market. So whatever is mentioned here is only samples and most popular products. There are other products also. Okay, there is Zero in the online software, Zero, and there are different other softwares as well. But those are the samples and most popular in the globally and locally for Tier 3 market. Tier 3 means small business as well as part of the SMEs. In Tier 2 market, normally ERP starting with Tier 2 market only, ERP softwares. For Tier 2 means part of the SME and part of the mid-market. Part of the SME and part of the mid-market called Tier 2 market. What are the software developed for this industry, for this market? One is SAP Business One, HANA, SAP mid-market product. And Microsoft Business Central, now Microsoft 365 Business Central. Info ERP, Odoo ERP, and Oracle NetSuite. Again, some samples only, there are other products also. Don't misunderstand. What I mentioned here is most popular products in Sri Lanka as well as globally. SAP Business One HANA, Microsoft Business Central or Business 365 Business Central, Info ERP, Odoo, Oracle NetSuite. for tier 2 market. Tier 1 market means part of the mid-market and other enterprise market tier 1 ERPs. What are the tier 1 ERPs, most popular tier 1 ERP in the Sri Lanka and world? One is SAP Cloud ERP, it's called S4HANA, SAP S4HANA, Oracle Fusion, IFS, kind of products, mainly in Sri Lanka. There are other products also, but main 3 popular products. Clear? But sometimes IFS play in tier 2 also. Okay? Sometimes SAP Cloud ERP can deploy in tier 2 market also. Can be, okay? Here and there.
Yeah, Mr.
Up and down.
Madura, Mr.
Yeah.
Madura, what about QuickBooks?
QuickBooks in
Some
the tier 3.
companies,
Yeah.
some enterprises are using.
Yeah, QB for tier 3 markets. You can see QB.
Oh.
QB is an accounting solution. QB is like a Sage 50, Myop, Tally, all are QB is an accounting software. It's not a ERP software. It's mainly for SMEs and small market. QB is a very popular software.
Integrated one, right?
It's an integrated software. It is an integrated software, but it's a limited functionality. It's having a limited function. It's not a ERP.
Okay.
It's a limited functionality, but very popular product for small market and the SMEs. Very popular. Globally also very popular product for QB for tier 3 market. It's not suited for tier 2 or tier 1 market because tier 2, tier 1, they require more complex function like manufacturing, capacity planning, scheduling, service related special operations. That is, you can't handle from the Sage 50 or QB or Mayo. That's why this ERP developed for that particular markets. Clear, no?
Yes.
If you have any question, please ask. I can answer anything then and there. It's okay. But there are other names also. Don't misunderstand. There are other names also in the world market. Like one popular product in New Zealand, Australia market is a Zero. Okay, it's online tier 3 product. Like that, there are online products available now in the world. In Sri Lanka also, there are products called, Belita. There are different products in Sri Lanka market also. There are products, but what I am list down is the most popular products in the world, as well as Sri Lanka market. Okay. Now we'll discuss who are the top companies in the world. Number 1, all know is SAP is the world number 1 ERP solution provider, head office in Germany, clear leading among Fortune 1000 Global 5000 companies, support different verticals, mainly 2 products, SAP S4HANA and SAP Business One HANA. 2 products, SAP S4HANA for enterprise and mid-market, Business One for the mid-market and SME market. Those software is not suitable for startups or small business. Why? It's expensive, but rich of functionality. Second one is Oracle. Oracle head office in US. Second player in the ERP market. Normally they said that number 2 in the ERP market. Oracle having there are products Oracle acquired recently also, but main products like Oracle Fusion, Oracle JD Edwards, and Oracle NetSuite. NetSuite mainly for mid-market, and other 2 products mainly for enterprise market. All are ERPs, not the accounting softwares. Mainly cater for mid-market and enterprise market. Third one is Info. But this classification can change here and there every year. Head office in US. 4th largest ERP manufacturer. Vertical oriented. Sightline, Barn, Mapix. Some sample product under Info portfolio. Then Microsoft. Head office in US. Among top 5 ERP in the world. strong manufacturing and distribution capabilities. Dynamics 365 Business Central is their main product now. Earlier, it's called Dynamics. Under Dynamics, there are 2-3 products, but now they are mainly focusing Dynamics 365 Business Central. It's a cloud product, 100% cloud-based product, 100% true web-based product. Why I'm explaining this information is very helpful for you all when you are analyzing, studying, and facing interview or for your performing your organization. Also, information is very, very important for you all to analyze ERP to ERP, functionality, their capabilities, and all. Okay. Then next question is, why do you need an ERP? Now we discuss different type of ERPs. What are the number 1, number 2, number 3? You all know ERPs are expensive. Not like accounting solution like QB, Sage 50, Tally. ERP softwares are very expensive. Then why do you need ERP? Number 1. Why business exists in this world? Shareholders or owners, they want to increase their wealth. That's why they set up business in this world in different content. Why our Sri Lankan all entrepreneurs, business owners, why they set up business, why they acquire new businesses? They want to increase or earn profit. Very simple theory. How we are going to improve or increase your profitability? One way, you can increase your revenue. Other side, you can reduce your cost. One side, you can increase your revenue with acquisition, with more volume sales, more diversification, more globalization. You can increase your revenue. Other side, improving productivity, efficiency, and all quality, you can reduce your cost. With that only, you can improve your profitability. No other way. Then, what ERP can do? Can we wait without any ERP? We know what is the ERP means. It integrates all business functionality to one platform and giving overview view, process view to the organization heads or management to make the decisions. How we are going to increase profitability, how we are going to increase your revenue, how we are going to reduce your costs, how we are going to improve your productivity. That's the benefit of ERP. And company now want to take a decision. Do we need the ERP? Then we have to ask this question. Can we wait? First, can we wait without ERP? Yes, you can wait if you have a good system running. You say your existing system is capable to handle all integrations, functional integrations, giving process view to your organization. Then no need to go for another ERP or no need to change over immediately. You can survive with the current system. A good system running currently. Second one is no management commitment. They say most of the companies, sometimes business owners, they are coming with the some old technology or some different backgrounds. They are not believing the IT system. Sometimes they are not believing the digitalization. Sometimes they believe only still books, manual books. We know we are having experienced this kind of situations. They are believing manual books. Then no management commitment, then you can wait. Without management commitment, you can't implement ERPs in the companies. It's total failure, basically. Third one, financial problems. You are having cash flow problems or you are having financial issues currently, don't go for ERP. Why? It's consume big money. You need big amount. Okay? Considerable amount required to deploy ERP system to your organization. You can wait. Currently, you have some considerable good system. Management is not committed to go for ERP. Or if you have financial problems, you can wait. But do not wait if you have this kind of issues. tough competition in the market. You're having a tough competition in the market. Competition is very high. That means you can't increase your prices. They are demanding quality. They ask reduce the costs. Then tough competition. Then don't wait. You have to have a ERP system. Multiple location operation. You're planning to operate in Sri Lanka, multiple location branches or stores or go downs, and globally also. Then you have to have a ERP system. Otherwise, you don't have any control of the business. We're having experience in most Sri Lanka, some diversified business, but they are very profitable, but they don't have a controls most of the time. There are a lot of issues going on inside the organizations, lot of corruptions and other things going on. Why? No controls, no integration. Plans to grow globally. You want to open branches in other countries, global market, you have to have a good ERP in place in your organization. Management committed to change. Yes, top management committed to board of directors want to change. They want to go for digitalization. They are committed to go to next level of their business. Then yes, you have to invest in ERP systems. Clear? Then next question. Yes, company decided we need the ERP system. Why? We are going globally. Competition is very tough and multiple operation level, and management committed to go for digitalization. Then next challenge is selecting ERP. Why? There are 4-5 world recognized ERPs available in the country, Sri Lanka or globally. Then how we are going to select an ERP system for your organization? That is the next question. First, what you have to do? First, you have to selection of ERP product. First one is a product. It can be a SAP, it can be Oracle, it can be a Microsoft, it can be IFS. First, you have to select the product. Second, you have to select the implementation partner. Product and the partner. Why partner important? Partner only do the deliveries, implementation, and process changes of your organization. ERP is only product. Product having all functionalities. But partner only can change this ERP according to your requirement. Then two main elements is select the ERP brand, select the best partner for that particular ERP brand. Then implementation phases is going to be a direct changeover. It can be a parallel changeover, implementation phase. Then post-implementation phase. After implementation, you have to have a day-to-day support requirement. Then it's a lifetime engagement. ERP, purchasing ERPs, it's a lifetime engagement. It's not going to outdate at any ERP, not going to outdate at any name what we discuss here. No outdated, like it's a lifetime engagement. Then after implementing, there's a post-implementation phase. It's called day-to-day support stages. It's a maintenance phase. Those are the phases in ERP selection process. Selection ERP product and implementation partner. Number 2 is the implementation phase. You do the implementation, do the study, do the blueprinting, UAT, go live. It's called implementation phase. Then post-implementation phase. Now you are in the live run. Then day-to-day support, maintenance thing, a new version upgrades, all things happening in the post-implementation phase. Clear? Then we'll see how we are going to select the product. First thing is you have to study the market position of the ERP products. For that only you have to have that knowledge of the ERP, available ERPs in the market, their strength, their functionality, all things you should have some idea. Market position of the ERP product. Number of deployment in the geographically. Now, some products, they are very famous in the Europe market. Some products, they are very famous in US market. Some products, they are very famous for the global market, like localizations are available. Then in the Sri Lanka content, you have to see how many deployment in Sri Lanka market this particular ERP. That is very important. Then only more deployment means more localization, more suitable for Sri Lanka conditions. That's the key factor. Third one is the capabilities of the product and percentage of fulfillment of your requirement. The organization having a requirement, no? The ERP functionality, capabilities, as well as what is the percentage it can fulfill your organization requirement. That's also very important. What are the functional capabilities mean? Procure to pay. Area, what is the percentage they are going to cover? Order to cash area, what is the percentage they are going to cover? Manufacturing, what is the percentage they are going to cover? Likewise, you can evaluate. You can evaluate the capabilities and the percentage of fulfillment of your requirement. Next thing is customization possibilities. What extent those products can customize according to your requirement? There's a plus minus on this customization. We'll discuss later. But there are incidents we must customize some functionality according to our organization. There are unique, special organization requirements sometimes. Then there should be a possibility to some extent customize the software. That's also very important for when you are selecting product. Then after sales support of this particular product. Now this main ERP product, other companies should support new version they have to release. It should align with the latest technology. And after sales support of the product, this developed company should do the after sales support and all. That is also very, very important before selecting any ERP software. Next one is your investment plan and budget. Okay. You can go for S4HANA or Oracle, but very expensive. So you have to check your plan and budget. Are the budget is available for that kind of tier 1 ERP? Or tier 2 ERP is enough for you all, your organization with your plan and budget? That you will have to check. You can go always to Mercedes, or you can always go to BMW. Anybody prefer to go to BMW and Mercedes? It should be, but it should be match your budget, no? Otherwise, you can't. End of the day, you can't maintain. No? You can't maintain. Then you have to pay the loan. Same kind of thing only here. You have to check. It's in line with my plan, investment plan, as well as my budget. Then all you have to decide the product. Then when you are selecting product, what are the main areas you have to consider? One is a functionality of the product. Second thing is the technology the product is using. Third one is a vendor. Who the vendor? It's a world recognized vendor, and what their main business. I'll tell one example. Now, SAP, we'll take SAP. SAP main business is ERP. They are not doing any other things. Their main business is a ERP. Manufacturing, producing, develop ERP softwares. But there are other vendors. Their main business is not the ERP. Their main business is different other softwares or other products. 1% only they do the ERP. Then that also we have to be very careful. But their main business, vendor. Then support, after sales support from the vendor, and cost factor. Cost factor of what I already explained. What is the cost factor of the product? You have to consider all things before you selecting any ERP product. Then next important thing is a partner selection. How we are going to select the partner? First, we will have to develop customized RFP for your organization. That means your requirement documentation. First, you have to list down your procure to pay requirement, your order to cash requirement, your manufacturer requirement. If it's a hotel, we'll say your hotel front end requirement, your back end requirement, your restaurant requirement. Likewise, your requirement you have to list down. This is called RFP. Produce full RFP requirement one by one for your organization and release this RFP to distribute to RFP software vendors. Distribute your RFP to the software vendors. You select software vendors, all SAP vendors, Oracle vendors, Microsoft vendors, IFS vendors, all vendors, and distribute to them. And rank vendors' response or rank partners' response. According to partner response, give the marks and rank them. Then plan vendor demos. Partner demos. Okay, we'll say you select one SAP partner, arrange the demo with the SAP partner. You select Oracle partner, arrange the Oracle partner demo. Likewise, plan the vendor demos. See what level their functionality suit for your organization. The product, usability of the product, and vendor, reliability of vendor. And you can do the scheduled site visit of your organization, like customer visit, like it's called customer visit. That means already implemented sites you can visit and you can see online practically. One person says he can't see the presentation slide. Is that for everyone? Well, I can
No,
see
we
the
can,
screen, no?
we
Yeah.
can see the screen.
Yeah. One person sent the message. Yeah, he can't see the screen. I think you log out from the Teams again, log into Teams again. Some issue in your Teams, I think. Log out and log in. That particular person. I'm telling that particular message. Log out and log in. Nah? Schedule site visit. Visit site. Physically go and check the site. How things going on. How the product is operating practically. Likewise. Then consider other factors. What are other factors? Partner experience, partner reliability, and stability of the partner. How many employees working for partner? How many consultants working for partner? It's all things are very, very important. Not only product, partners. Okay. Then after you select the partner, select the product, what are the ERP product acceptance options? Adapting directly all the functions available in ERP product. One thing is we 100% adapt what are the functionality available in the ERP product. That's number one. Number two, change the way the firm does the business to fit the product. Compromising. That means you'll change your business process according to world best practices, like what ERP comes with the world best practices. Then change the way firm does the business to fit the product. That is the most recommended method. Why? All ERPs come with the world best practices. After their experience and a lot of researchers and all things, they develop world best practices for procurement, world best practices for manufacturing, world best practices for sales. The product come with that best practices. Then best option is, we also recommend it to change the way the firm does the business to fit the product or compromising. Third one is customize the ERP product to suit the business process. Then third one is you going to customize ERP product to suit your current processes. You are not going to change your current process. You are going to change the ERP product to suit for your organizational needs. Actual practical implementation is mix of number 2 and 3. 70-80% we are changing our processes according to the best practices. But there can be a 10-15%, 10% like there are unique feature for that particular organization. Then we have to customize the ERP to suit that organization requirement. Clear? Okay. Then implementation, one of the most crucial, very important thing. You can buy either SAP or Oracle. But if you are not implement properly, you are going to finally it's a disaster. What statistics says, more than 50% of the ERP implementation in the world either fail or either not given expected results. Why? They are not properly follow the implementation best practices. This is a sample SAP best practices implementation procedure. One is a project, it's called first one is a project preparation, digital discovery, project realization, final preparation, and go live. Okay. Detailed steps also available. Under project preparation, what are the things you have to do? Under digital discovery, what are the things you have to do? Under project realization, what are the things covered? Under final preparation, what are the things going to cover? And go live and support. And detailed course, you can study all things one by one under implementation consultancy program. Even this is very important for consultants, implementing ERP consultant, as well as company-owned accountants, finance managers, IT managers, very, very important. Because ERP implementation is a two-way process. Customer should do the whole work as well as partner should do some work. It's a mix of work. It's like a marriage. Otherwise, it's going to be a failure. I'm not going to detail discuss. I don't have a time. But in the implementation course, you can discuss these things. Now I'm going to introduction to the main three products. What in here we are handling, main number one is SAP. You know SAP is a world number one ERP company as well as ERP product. You can see the right down 77% of the world transaction touches SAP systems. You can see how strong SAP brand in the world in the ERP market. 77% of the world transactions touches any SAP system. It can be SAP S4HANA, it can be SAP Business One, anything. SAP head office is German, founded 1972, more than 440,000 customers, and market leader in the ERP market. Okay. Under SAP portfolio, there are mainly two products. One is SAP Cloud ERP or S4HANA, and the other one is SAP Business One. And first one is SAP Cloud ERP. It's a true web-based, cloud-based SaaS product, annual subscription product. You have to pay license annually. It's hosted in SAP cloud environments. No need any infrastructure to work with SAP Cloud ERP. Now you can see SAP Cloud ERP. It's three layers basically. One is application, finance management, supply chain management, human management, customer experience management, and it covered with the industry network and business AI. SAP Business AI, I'll explain, is called Joule. SAP developed business artificial intelligence tool called Joule. You can use as a ChatGPT, Joule to access data, prediction data, analyze data, and all. And all SAP Cloud ERP developed in top of the business technology platform, BTP. It's an actually platform It includes service layer, include cloud servers, include business intelligence tools, it include artificial intelligence tools. It's a one platform. Total called sub cloud ERP. This is mainly for tier 1 and tier 2 markets. So some sample screens. So very user friendly, full web base, Fiori apps built with Fiori apps. Any device is work without any problem. That means any mobile or tablets or laptops or desktop, you can work. Some samples. This is Joule. Joule is a SAP developed AI platform. It integrates with even, you can integrate with ChatGPT or other AI tools. It access all SAP data and it access outside data and even your analytics, market analytics, predictions, search options, likewise different searching, prediction, all thing you can do through the Joule. And Joule advancing Joule agent, you know what is, I think most of them knows AI basics. Like AI agent means you can train them to, we can advise them, we can train AI agents to do some work. We can train Joule AI or Joule to predict some information, get the market information, get some internal information. They will predict, okay, for next 6 months, my down south sales going to be increased like this with the volumes, these are values, and what we have to do to increase another 10%. Likewise, they predict and they analyze using Joule AI or Joule agent. We can train them with the information. That is basically what explained of the SAP Cloud DRP. Second one is SAP Business One. SAP Business One developed for SME and mid-market. Okay, price-wise lower than the Cloud DRP. What is a feature rich? Actually, most popular SAP product in Sri Lanka market. More than 350 clients in Sri Lanka market, SAP implementing and currently running. This particular product can be deployed in the on-prem version, that means in the local servers, as well as cloud servers. That is another advantage here. No need to 100% go for cloud. You can install even on-prem servers as well. Used by 90,000 plus customers worldwide, mobile accessibility, and used in more than 170 countries in the world. SAP Business One. SAP Business One comes with the standard modules, management and administration, accounting and finance, purchasing and operations, sales and services, inventory and distribution, production and MRP, project resource management, and solution customization. You can do the customization. One beauty of SAP Business One is you can develop inside customization according to your requirement. And it built with the analytics and dashboards, web client functionality, and the mobility. That means it's capable of mobile using also. There's a mobile apps come with the SAP Business One. Okay. SAP Business One, we can say it's application. It built with the analytics. It can run on cloud, on our database, and mobile version also available. SAP HANA means it's a SAP developed in-memory technology database. You know what are the other database you are familiar with? Microsoft SQL database, that is SQL database. And Oracle database. Same like this is HANA means SAP developed world first in-memory its system runs on memory only. Other databases is run on, the hard disk. All data processing hard disk. But here, data processing memory only. That means normally they said HANA database faster, 10% faster than SQL database. High volume, high processing environment, HANA database is very suitable. And SAP supporting for latest technology like analytics, mobile technology, big data analysis, machine learning, IoT, and cloud technology. That is a, next era. AI, IoT, all are next digital era. Mobile apps come with the SAP Business One. There's a one standard app, sales app, service app. There are different apps. That's all for SAP. Two products under SAP, SAP Business One and SAP S4HANA. Third one is this particular product mainly developed for small business to SME sector. It's called Odoo ERP. Why it can cater for small business? You can buy 2-3 apps, 2-3 users, and you can work with the small business. Same time, you can buy all apps for more than 100 users, or 50 users, 100 users, you can use for the SMEs as well. If you require, you can use even mid-market also. Why? Functionality, very rich functionality. There are a lot of apps I will explain now. Now, Odoo. It's a Belgium product developed in Belgium, founded in 2005, now 20 years old. It's a big company, more than 3,400 employees, 19 officials in globally, 13 million users in the world, 13 million. It's a full SaaS product. It's a full SaaS, software as a service. It's annual subscription, fully web-based, full SaaS product. You have to log in. Normally, you log in as like a Google login. Log into the web. Lowest TCO. Cost of ownership is very low. Compared to SAP, Oracle, Microsoft, license cost is very low. That is the advantage of Odoo. Scalable platform, you can scalable, fast onboarding, very user-friendly product, real-time dashboards, and AI and BI inbuilt with the product. And I take another 5 minutes. Is that okay for you all? Huh? If anybody want to leave, it's okay, but I'll take another 5 minutes. Huh? Localization, Odoo localization, possible. And all requirement in one system, user-friendly interface, very user-friendly, and data security and backup. What happened in the market, actually when I started in 2003, 2005, 2007, okay, that time in Sri Lanka, even Sri Lanka and the globally, most popular and famous accounting and SME mid-market, SMEs and small business products like QB, Sage 50, Tally and all things. What happened? After Odoo, they introduced very user-friendly and low price annual subscription SaaS product. Automatically, these other products get replaced with the Odoo products. That what happened to QB, Sage 50, and other Tally, all products. It's very easily replaced by the Odoo. Why is low cost of ownership? Annually only you have to pay. No need any servers or anything. It's a 100% cloud. No IT cost. Why it's take care by the Odoo. It's a Odoo sample screen. It's come different apps like. There are, I think, 100 plus apps available. One is accounting app. You can see CRM app, point of sales app, project app. Then we can planning app, purchasing app, inventory app, manufacturing app, sales, dashboards, say social marketing app, website development app, email marketing, like different apps available. When you after you purchase, we'll say you purchase one license or 5 license, all apps are available for you. Only thing you have to implement these apps according to your requirement, but apps come with the free of charge. That is the beauty of Odoo system. And top you can see fifth icon, Studio. Studio is a no-code, low-code platform. Sometimes you'll heard low-code, no-code platform. That means you can develop small apps, small programs without having any development knowledge. It's a low-code, no-code platform. It's a Studio. It's a no-code, low-code platform. You can drag and drop fields. You can put if-else and system develop the screens, apps, small programs. That means customization is very easy in Odoo systems. Okay. Basically, that is the introduction to the all three products. And what is we discussed what is the ERP, why ERP important, evolution of ERP, how we are going to select the ERP product as well as ERP vendor, implementation methodologies, world leading top ERP products, SAP, Oracle, Microsoft Info, and IFS like products, and tier market of the software pyramid, and market segmentation like small market, SME market, mid market, enterprise market. Then the final question is why this is important for individuals like yours. Company, as we discussed. Without that, you can't survive in the competitive market. Why it's important for you all as a professionals like you all, student like yours, IT professional, finance professionals, owners like yours. With this ERP knowledge, there are two elements, two areas. We'll say you are employee currently as accountant or as an IT manager or as a manager or as assistant accountant or whatever category. With good knowledge of popular ERP, famous ERP, you can go up very easily. Why? This knowledge is very important to day-to-day operation. Perform your operations. And very few people having this knowledge also. Most of the people, they don't have a ERP knowledge. They have a basic Excel knowledge and Word knowledge, email knowledge only. They don't have ERP knowledge. If you know any good ERP in your whatever ERP implement your organization, you know the ERP background, very easily you can study your ERP and you can perform very well. What I'm saying, normally be 1% better than others. If you want to go up, if you want to be achiever one day, be 1% better than others. That's more than enough. 1% better than others in your organization. If you know your ERP properly, it's very easily you can be 1% better than others. Then you will be highlighted in your management. Then you will be promoted and you can go up very easily. Other side, ERP industry is a very popular, demanding industry in the world. ERP consultant, functional consultant, technical consultant, ERP project managers, very popular. Not only locally, internationally, especially in SAP consultants. SAP consultant is a very high demand profession in the world. Why very few people is available with the SAP knowledge, consulting, implementing, delivery knowledge. Very not only SAP, any ERP. If you have a good ERP knowledge, you know how to operate ERP, if you know how to implement ERP properly, you will be very demanding person in that particular industry. Very easily you can go up high salary area, and globally also very popular demand. These are two areas why we need ERP for your personal life. That's why this academy called this learn ERP and earn ERPs. Earn money or earn good funds or good money like. Here, that's the basic introduction session today. In the academy, they are conducting separate Odoo courses, separate SAP Business One courses, separately project management courses. You all can join those courses online, but we are conducting online courses only currently because that is the most popular, demanding currently online courses. Nobody want now to physically attend the classes. If you want, please contact our academy department, academy, and you can register. You will have any question, please ask now. Now time to, I will give 5 minutes. Now 8:15 almost. 5 minutes to ask any question. If you have any doubts, any question, please ask.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, related to this Odoo ERP, to training sessions. So, how
Yeah.
long the duration, and is it including implementation training or only the ERP training?
Yeah, it's a mix of how to operate Odoo ERP and some part of the implementation as well. Because now implementation, you should know how to create the masters, how to integrate the modules, and some part of essential implementation techniques operate main modules like procure to pay, order to cash, supply chain management, manufacturing, and finance services. All main modules are covered. What is the duration, Ajit?
3.5 months.
3.5 months. That means 2 hours, 3 hours per week.
3 hours per week.
3 hours per week, 2.5 months course. It's covered entire Odoo main apps.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you can contact our academy. Academy. Then they will give the all information. They will send the all information. You can contact academy manager, Mr. Ajit. He will send you all information, syllabus, fees, and all details. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Odoo, we are using financial method. How do the bank reconciliation?
Yeah, bank reconciliation, Odoo supporting online bank reconciliation. There's a now under discussion. We also raised some questions with the Belgium. I think they are working on that. We already raised this time. We met the even Odoo owner, founder also, Mr. Fabian also. We raised this question. They are working on that. There's a Odoo because of this product is online Europe product. Europe, most of the banks are fully integrated with the systems. Okay. They do automatical bank reconciliation only, but unfortunately Sri Lanka not come to that level. No, that's we do the manual bank reconciliation. That is the issue here. But there are workaround method. Please contact our academy. They will explain to you all workaround methods to do the bank reconciliation, but it will come quickly because we already raised this question with them. I think they will adjust for the Asian market that bank reconciliation method. But there are workaround method. You can contact our academy and the consultings. They will help you all.
Mr. Madura.
Hello.
Yeah.
Mr. Madura, can I know which Odoo version? It's an online one or a
enterprise version.
enterprise
What
online
difference is
version?
actually on online and the enterprise? Online basic version, you can't modify or you can't develop anything. Okay, only you can
Yeah.
do the here and there forms customization only. In the
Mhm.
enterprise version only, you can do the customization, modifications, and all things. Okay,
Yeah.
what we are training normally, we are training and selling is enterprise version only, not the online version. Okay, enterprise version only we are selling.
Okay, so in this course, you are guiding for a your team the guiding for a that earning a that Odoo certifications.
Yeah, actually, after you complete this course, definitely you can go for the directly for certification. It's covered the entire requirement of the certification.
Okay.
Certification,
That's
but
all.
separate charge is online. You know, online certification by Odoo is handled. No
Mhm.
need to go again training. After this training, you can directly do the certification.
Okay. Thank you.
Doctor, I have a question that if we need to get knowledge on SAP RISE, do you have
Yes.
any program?
Yes. Yeah. The thing is this. Now, RISE means you are using S1 private cloud.
Yes, doctor.
Yes. Now, currently, we don't have a RISE program schedule, but it will be starting future. You are referring to RISE or GROW exactly?
RISE.
RISE, huh? RISE. RISE, currently, we don't have a schedule, but we schedule the GROW, S1 GROW program from the next month onwards, December onwards. But RISE currently, no. But please, you just inform to your name and your detail. We'll inform when you are starting RISE course in future.
Okay, doctor. If we attend to the business one, it is okay to earn some knowledge.
Yeah.
Instead of
Currently, are you using the RISE or S4HANA on-prem version or RISE version?
RISE version we are using.
You are using currently RISE version.
Yeah.
That means you'll upgrade recently from on-prem to RISE?
Yes.
Okay. But the RISE is a new product, you know. It's a new product.
Yeah.
What we are doing is for the earlier S4HANA is on-prem version or ECC versions. Now ECC or on-prem version, we are upgrade to either GROW product, public cloud product or private cloud product. Private cloud is a RISE, public cloud is a GROW. Okay.
Yeah.
But both products is the same platform, you know, both GROW and RISE is the same platform, but RISE having more functionality than GROW. Okay. It's a all on-prem version web interface, like web thing.
Yeah.
But both are same. But B1 is a different product. Get the knowledge of ERP, exactly functionality of the ERP. SAP B1 course is superb because it's covered all functions. You know, it's covered the order to cash, procure to pay, service, manufacturing, and finance. All things covered in the B1. It's good for learn ERP properly. After that, you can very easily catch up the GROW or RISE because same functionality in different screens. Okay, and there are some additional functionality also. Example, I'll give you the example. B1, you can do the bomb, multi-bomb, single bomb, and you can do the production issues, production receives, MRP. But B1, you can't do the detailed planning and scheduling. In the RISE, you can do the planning board, production planning, capacity planning, all things included. That is the difference, B1 and the RISE.
Yeah. Thank you, doctor.
Hello.
Yeah.
Do you provide any practical platform that such as for this ERP, especially for this SAP, to practice and do the transactions via this platform?
Yeah. Odoo also we are giving the test platform to you all to work. Even SAP we are providing test version to you all to. It's a web version. It's like a cloud version. Cloud login to you all to practice.
So other than that, do you provide any valid certificate that we gained something else from you?
Certificate issued by the PBSS Academy. PBSS is a gold partner for SAP. And Odoo also, we are the premier partner in Odoo also. This certificate issued by the partner it's a valid certificate actually. It's issued by the gold partner for SAP as well as Odoo. But same time, you want to do the SAP or Odoo direct courses, that also possible. That is very expensive. SAP B1 certification around $1,500. Okay, for certification. Odoo, I think 300, 200. I can't remember the exact amount. Okay, $100 or $200. But you can, after this training, advantages other than our certification, and you can do even SAP certification and Odoo certificate directly. Why no need to go again training courses? But this our certificate valid worldwide. Why we issued by the partner, not the normal institute. It's issued by the authorized business partner in the particular country.
All right, okay. Thank you.
Okay, then almost 8:30. Any question? Any final question?
What are the size structures of the courses?
Courses, please contact our academy. I think you are having a link, no? Please contact. There are different prices for SAP, different prices for Odoo, different prices for project management. Okay, PIM courses, project management courses. You please contact academy. Our academy, you have a number, no? Then they will give the exact prices, what are the discount applicable, if any payment plans, all detail they will provide for you. Okay, then thank you very much. Again, I like to apologize. First two sessions cancelled due to unavoidable reason. Very sorry on that. Okay. If you are having anything, please contact academy. If you want to get some information from me, my phone number is not 777 354 880. Not 777 354 880. You have any questions, you can just call me. It's okay if I am available. My phone is 24/7 on. If I am available, I'm not in the meeting or discussion, I will be definitely answering the phone. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Good night.
Mr. Madura.
Thank you so much.